everyone, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Nissan Armada SL. This is Nissan's full-size SUV and pretty much their top of the line, save for the GTR. This is our most luxurious offering, and it is absolutely beautiful. All in all, this one comes to $59,100. Has the 5.6 liter endurance V8 with 390 horsepower and 394 pound-feet of torque. That's all mated to a 7-speed automatic. Sat behind myself, absolute ton of room. Ton of headroom. Do have third row, it's just folded down at the moment. I mean, you could totally sleep pretty comfortably. That's just how wide this back seat is. That's pretty cool. Beautiful quilted leather. And then in the driver's compartment, beautiful spec on this one with white on light colored interior. Nice little brown contrast stitching. Where's the button? There it is. Super pretty interior. Without further ado, let's go ahead and take this out on the road. Even on this small, narrow road, doesn't feel overly gigantic. Kind of shrinks around you a little bit. Not a bad driving car whatsoever. Well, I say car, it's more of a SUV. Steering wheel, I love it. Curves right around, so your fingers fit perfectly around the steering wheel. It's awesome. That 5.6 is awesome. Such a great motor. Wow. This is a truck, man. Oh man. That is something else. Putting 400 horsepower in an SUV like this, it does not deserve to be as quick as it is. And then when you just settle down, it's a luxury car. Outside road noise is kept to the barest of minimums. All of the leather in here feels amazing to the touch. I would easily see somebody paying $80,000 for one of these. But it's stickers for under $60,000. And I think that might be one of the best bargains of the century. Just think of what you're getting size-wise and feature-wise. I mean, this thing's loaded. The ride is very, very good as well. There's the big pothole. After driving this route all day, I think, you know, I could probably drive it in my sleep at this point. Which is good, because I like to know the routes before I go and film. Knowing the route just keeps... You'll see in the Sentra video, that was my first time driving that route. So it's very, very difficult to keep yourself together, to remember everything that you wanted to say. With that being said, this is an unbelievable car. Such an amazing SUV. Thank you all so much for watching. Please stay tuned for future videos, and I will see you all in the next one.